Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Wow, we have some massive data right now that so many Uber drivers are quitting, Lyft drivers are quitting, and we have a Facebook group with over 18,000 members, and every single day we have multiple drivers saying that they're quitting. Lyft drivers saying they're quitting, they're moving on to another job. We have drivers even commenting saying, I'm trying right now actively to move out of rideshare because of gas prices alone. So thumbs up the video. If you think gas prices are too high and drivers need to make more money, thumbs it up the video. And also I want to tell you all about our sponsor, HyreCar. HyreCar is helping drivers. They are helping gig workers. How? They're providing drivers, gig workers with cash advances. So if you're ever, behind on your rent or behind on your car payment or just any, expense and you need some money, right now we have a special unique link right now where if you sign up, you get free cash advances for life. No fees, no credit checks, guys. Obviously in the future, they're gonna probably have to start charging for this stuff, but right now, just for the beginning phase, if you sign up, you'll never have to pay any fees on cash advances, which is amazing. So check out HyreCar, link below. At least type in your email, get started, and you can get locked in with that free cash advance offer. Let's get started. I'm an Uber driver in New York City. Gas prices have hurt our wages so badly that it's hard to pay bills. Naomi Ogutu is the president of New York City Rideshare Club, which advocates for app workers. Should we make California Rideshare Club? Comment down below. Maybe we could start that up. Ogutu says rising gas prices and the loneliness of the job are challenging. But the pandemic showed how essential rideshare services are. Yeah. If you've ever driven rideshare and only doing rideshare full time, it's a lonely job. Luckily, when I was doing Lyft full time, 40, 50 hours a week, I also had two other jobs. I worked at Nike and a school, so those were very social jobs. So I actually enjoyed, I guess the loneliness aspect of that job. You do meet a lot of people, and maybe it's just because I'm younger, but I ended up becoming friends with a lot of my passengers, and I even had a lot of passengers who were like, "Hey, you want to show me around town?" I was like, "All right, I guess." nothing. Anyways, suggested there. This is told to essay is based on a conversation with Naomi Ogutu. Yeah, she says, I've been an Uber driver for 6 years and now I'm the president of the New York City Rideshare Club. Our club is a part of a larger coalition, Justice for App Workers, which includes 9 rideshare groups. We recently staged a caravan protest in Manhattan over rideshare apps are handling the rising gas prices. We need to get you on, Ogutu. Let me know if you're interested, if you're watching this. Comment down below. But she said she has a Chevy Suburban SUV. I could fill it with 65 or 70, but now it's 140 or 150 bucks. That only lasts me a day or two. Could you imagine? That's 150 bucks every single day, 7 days a week. That's over $1,000 just for gas. $1,000 a week. So you're paying $4 grand a month in gas. That's almost $50,000 a year just on gas, not including wear and tear in your car. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. Are you, what's your plan? You planning on driving Uber and Lyft for the long haul? You quitting? Have you quit already? Let me know your thoughts. I'll talk to you soon. Check out HyreCar to get locked in with those free cash advances for life. It's a limited time offer. They're super awesome. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye now.